In this video, let me show you how to check the Bluetooth address on Toyota cars. Let's find out. So, let me start by using the home screen. Here, let's choose the menu, the second button from the left side, and here you've got 4 icons. Choose Setup, select Bluetooth, choose Detailed Settings, choose System Information, and as you can see, this is the Bluetooth address. So you can read the Bluetooth address and use it if you need it. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.